Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put Freon in your Acura MDX. First, locate the low-pressure service port, usually marked with an L, on your vehicle's AC system. Then, attach the quick connect fitting of your AC recharge kit to this port, ensuring a snug fit. Next, start your engine and set your air conditioning to its coldest and highest fan speed. This prepares the system for refrigerant addition. With the engine running and AC on high, slowly squeeze the trigger on the refrigerant can. Gently shake the can every few seconds to help the refrigerant flow smoothly into the system. Keep a close eye on the pressure gauge on your recharge kit. You want the needle to stay within the green or recommended pressure zone for optimal performance and safety. After adding the refrigerant, check the air coming from your vents. It should feel noticeably colder, indicating a successful recharge. Once satisfied, carefully disconnect the recharge hose from the low-pressure service port. Ensure the cap is replaced on the port to prevent dirt and moisture entry. Store your kit in a cool, dry place for next time. Remember, overcharging your AC system can cause more harm than good, potentially damaging the compressor. Always follow the pressure gauge readings carefully. If your AC still isn't cooling properly after a recharge, it might indicate a leak or a more serious problem, and professional diagnosis is recommended. Also, for staying refreshed on the go, check out the Owala water bottle and other great deals linked in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.